Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram if it has deleted your song or the song you have used for your post or your story. So as you can see, if I go to my Instagram account and if I have used a song on my post or story, then it would say error, or it would say it has been deleted due to personal reasons or due to copyright music. Now to fix it, or to fix this problem, all you have to do is reach out to the person who is in charge of that song and request for his or her permission. Then only you can fix this problem. And that's how you fix your Instagram deleting your song on your post or your story. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.